Good PM. Ngayon po ay Monday, February 12, 2024. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 PM result ngayong Monday, February 12, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong Monday, February 12, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for February 12, 2024, Monday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 is 37 million pesos and Grand Lotto 655 estimated jackpot price is 52 million pesos for February 12, 2024, Monday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Monday, February 12, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.